Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome onto the pitch, here at the Etihad for the final time, Sergio Agüero! Your first gift. Sergio, your first gift comes from way up there, because a man who conjured up the most famous version of your name is going to do it one more time.
I swear you'll never see anyone like this man again. So watch him, drink it in. Sergio Agüero!
You're going to miss a lot. No sound, eh? No sound. The sun is bad, eh? Come on. Not working. Finish. We have so many people, not just the ones here, who would like to say something to you. So have a look at that. We have some famous faces that would like to say hello.
Sergio, thanks for giving us the best 10 years of our lives.
100%.
You are irreplaceable.
You've left us for some great memories. Me personally, the best football I've ever watched at City as a City fan is while you've been there.
Sergio, just to say congratulations on an unbelievable Man City career. You're an absolute legend of the club.
You're an absolute legend, man. You can be proud of yourself. I'm very grateful that I play with you, beside you, in the City shirt.
Thank you for everything you've done for us and for the club.
Kun, just want to congratulate you on a magnificent Man City career. You're a real icon of the club, at the forefront of all of its biggest moments so far.
I am very proud to have brought you to the Manchester City, and also for me, you are one of the best strikers in the world. Don't forget this.
Sos una leyenda para el club y te mereces una gran despedida y bueno, abrazo grande, crack.
Good luck in everything that you do in your career. You're going to be badly missed by all the staff, players, ex-players, but most importantly the fans who love you.
Congratulations, legend, on 10 brilliant years at Manchester City and for what you've done for the Premier League, and good luck in your next move. All the best.
I love you. I'm sure that also Man City fans love you too, and whatever you do, wherever you go, I wish you well.
Bye-bye, Sergio.
This is actually Sergio, the cat, as well, so he wants to say goodbye. But from the moment you arrived, right through, every goal, every moment...
Just wanted to say...
Tu próximo destino, y bueno, aquí tienes un amigo para lo que necesites.
You truly are a great player and a great person as well.
I'm so happy for the time we've spent together, so grateful. And I just hope that you will be happy wherever you go next, whatever you do next, even when we'll see you in management one day, who knows?
Sergio, thank you so much. It was a pleasure to be with you. It was a pleasure to see you as a footballer, but especially as a person. For your humanity, I wish you all the best. I will not forget you, and be happy, please. You deserve it.
Sergio, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you for all the memories. Thank you for your greatness. Thank you for giving us 10 years of some of the most incredible goals that this country has ever seen. You are the greatest player that has ever played in the Premier League. You are the greatest goal scorer that has ever played in the Premier League. You have brought to Manchester City, to this community, to this club, to this fan base, the greatest memory that any football fan could have ever had. For that, we are deeply appreciative. For that, thank you sincerely.
So many words have been appreciated by these people down here. Sergio, Benjamin's getting some exclusive content here, I know.
For Instagram.
That's the camera that matters. Sergio, when you joined Manchester City 10 years ago, did you have any idea that the decade that you have had would transpire, would be so important to this club, and that you would break so many records, particularly in the Premier League?
No, I never thought. I'm so happy, you know, to be 10 years here. I want to say thanks for everyone. Also, the first one for my teammates, because my teammates always support me all the time, and the staff, but also the fans.
It seems crazy to ask this question, but
my English, okay, eh?
I'm going to ask you about this because it's important. Usually you say to a player, what's your favourite moment? And you don't know what the answer will be. But for you, it's an easy question.
Yeah, I know, everyone I know to my best moment against COPYWRITE.
Tell us what it means to you, that goal.
I don't know, but for me that goal is the most important in my life, because, you know, I remember that game I played shit. Honestly, I played so bad. And then I say, okay, 2-2. Okay, one chance, please. And then, okay, if I score.
Shall I apologise, or do you want to apologise?
It's okay. No, I'm so happy, sorry. I'm so happy. I want to say thanks for Mansour, Kalum, all the staff, my teammates, the medical, the... ¿Cómo se dice? For the... Ya sabe. You know.
Yeah, the staff.
Yeah, the staff, everyone. No, I'm so happy. Thank you.
One of your teammates is Fernandinho, who's going to come in and give you a couple of gifts here. So, ladies and gentlemen, to Fernandinho we thank. You'll notice that this is a very special shirt, which has a very special time in a match on it, and a season card to sit on a very illustrious row alongside Vincent Kompany, Pablo Zabaleta, Yaya Touré, and of course David Silva as well. You'll know the mosaic has been commissioned as a pitch has been dedicated to Sergio. That mosaic will sit alongside that pitch, and Sergio will also get a replica of that mosaic. And Dale Street as well in the northern quarter has been painted with a mural of Sergio Agüero. All those things in honour of Manchester City's record goal scorer. And Sergio, you have one more match to play for Manchester City next week, but for everybody here who might not be able to be in Porto with you, your final words to everybody as a note of thanks for the City supporters.
Thank you. Thank you for the fans to come here today. Thank you so much.
On behalf of everybody applauding you now, Sergio Agüero, thank you for everything you've done for the Blues here in Manchester. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to do the Martin Tyler version, but maybe you can all do it yourselves. One more time, please thank Sergio Agüero!
So there we have it. The curtains fall one final time for Sergio Agüero at the Etihad Stadium, closing in what has been a trophy-laden, record-breaking, memory-making 10 years at Manchester City. But the journey is not quite over. One game still to play, the Champions League final. Sure, like myself and many fans in the stadium at home, there probably wasn't a dry eye somewhere, because that does really kind of bring about the end of the most incredible decade of memories and goals, and as I say, records being broken. A very fitting send-off. In case you missed it or halfway through, the few gifts given to Sergio, there is a mural that's been painted in the Northern Quarter. He joined the likes of Pablo Zabaleta, he joined the likes of Yaya Toure and Vincent Kompany with a lifetime season ticket. That mosaic there will be on display, and after a pitch has been named after him at the CFG. The special 93-20 shirt that has been awarded to him. And of course, hopefully, many memories that he'll cherish for the end of time. One more medal still to go on Saturday in our game against Porto. Gents, before we wrap up, I mean, there's nothing that we're going to say that we haven't said already, but final words on Sergio Agüero.
I've been cutting onions, Kel. I've been cutting onions, I promise. I'm not crying. Look, it's a sad day, but I said it earlier. I think we just got to be thankful that we had the privilege of having Sergio at our club for so long. So many special memories. So for me, it's just a massive thank you, like everyone else.
Paul?
Yeah, just a fabulous send-off, 2 goals in front of the fans, and you can see here how much he's loved by everybody, and staff, fans, all over. But there's still something more to come. I've just got a feeling that it's written in the stars. Champions League final next week. Sergio Agüero, goal and a winner's medal.
Love that. And final word from you, Andy.
The 2 goals today, and even now, he walks around there and he's so humble, as if it's like, what's all the fuss about? The way he carries himself, you know. This is what I do. I score goals. That's what I've always done. And we've been very, very fortunate to have him at our football club. And I feel incredibly proud watching this and seeing him out there now, and knowing that, you know, he's a very special man.
He really is. And I can say as well, you, Sergio, gave, well, maybe not my dad, because he's seen a few more than me, but for me, my dad and my brother, one of the greatest footballing memories, probably the greatest we'll ever experience, and that we'll never forget. And I think that's for a lot of City fans, one of many. So from everyone, I guess, Sergio, we are forever in your debt, and we are forever grateful for everything you've done for the club. And to wrap things up, a massive thank you to you guys at home, as always, for joining us on We're Not Really Here. Remember, we'll be back next Saturday. Massive thank you to my guests in the studio. Massive thank you to Nat, to Kyle, to Jolien, and of course to Sean Gota. And from one Manchester City legend in the Etihad Stadium to 3 legends here in the studio, where it all started 21 years ago, we've got a beautiful film that showcased this journey from these guys to this moment right here, and hopefully more memories and history being made next Saturday in Porto.
Comes now for Gota. Can't get his shot in. Celebrate with his manager. Joe Royal takes the acclaim. Would you believe it? Congratulations, couldn't control it. Barton, Bowie. Two chances, can he score? He does. And Gary Neville puts his hands to his head. Come through for Nicholas Anelka, who will become the 1st ever scorer at the City of Manchester Stadium. What a start! Oh my word! What a big save from David James. Again, it's Johnson. It's 1-0 for City. A shot. He's in! A bit of Brazilian magic against another play, you have to say. Save from Schmeichel for it, and he's got it. And I said it would be a special one, and they don't come much better than that. Vassell, it's 1-0 to Manchester City. Vincent Kompany, Bajani, brilliant header. Ireland couldn't quite be teed up. Oh, yes he could. Yes he could. Got Bramble there. It's a brilliant hat-trick. Bearing down, letting fly from the Welshman. City take the lead. Never a goal moment, but never a major trophy. But Manchester City's time. Good job, please. The shot will go for it, and will plant an absolute cracker into the corner. Cross him. Balotelli. United 1, City 6. It's Mario Balotelli, 1-1.
I swear you'll never see anything like this ever again. Milner goes for goal, finds it.
Manchester City are back level. De Bruyne sets up a shot that scores. Yaya Toure converts the penalty.
He's brilliant at Guardiola.
Momentous, long-awaited and oh so important. Kevin De Bruyne's through on goal. Kevin De Bruyne scores! Sané lines up a shot! It is 5! Caught it well! Gabriel Jesus for a record-breaking goal! Right at the last! It's Aguero! And he scores his 200th goal in a Manchester City shirt! It's Sterling! Gets away from the defence.
Manchester City look to complete the set today in their final game of the season.
How about that? Company gets his first of the season, and it's an absolute thunderbolt from Vincent Kompany. To win the Community Shield for Manchester City. Riyad Mahrez. Opportunity for Pep Guardiola's men. Oh, what a goal from Bernardo Silva. Struck by Aguero.
Aston Villa 0, Manchester City 1.
Was this headed in by Rodrigo? As that one is struck towards goal. Phil Foden, one of his best ever.
Incredible reading of the play from the Portuguese.
That one in, it's headed home. Foden strike. It's fallen into the net. It's driven through and finds its way through the traffic. Its shot is close down. It falls loose and it's struck in. To Phil Foden, it's put across. Mahrez does it again. A great performance over 2 legs against Paris Saint-Germain. Manchester City make their way to the Champions League final at the end of the season.